my last video. So today I will gonna cook fish curry. So let's watch. Firstly, I will take a bowl of ground. Then I will add a chili, salt, tasty salt, and mix everything well. Then I will add ginger, garlic, and onion, and mix everything well again. The fish was kept in the fridge, so I will spark in the water to make it soft. In the meantime, I have prepared the stove. Then I place the pan on the stove and add the oil. Then I add chili paste, and I will try to ground chili paste well. Then I will add turmeric. Then I added some packet spices. I used meat masala. Then I will add a fish and mix everything well. Then I will add some water and cover it with a light for a while. Cooking is almost done now. I'm plating the dish. For serving, I'm taking plate. Firstly, adding a bowl of rice, 2 small bowls of squid, the fish curry, and some more veggies in another bowl. Then I try it to see how it turned out. Honestly, I really like it. My homemade fish curry. That's really good. Hey, wait. One more thing. You all have eaten before mundi, right? But you have not seen how it made. In the next video, I will show you how we made our own mundi in our hummus. Okay, see you all next video. Ta-da!